66 million years ago, a catastrophic event unfolded. A killer from the south, hurtling towards Earth at unimaginable speeds. The impact, more powerful than 10 billion atomic bombs, engulfed our planet in chaos. For over 20 minutes, the world turned a blazing inferno, with molten debris raining down. Earthquakes and volcanic eruptions ravaged the globe, leaving no corner untouched. As dust clouds blocked out the sun for years, life struggled to survive. From fiery devastation to frozen desolation, our world was forever changed. In a world where 75% of all species perished, only a fortunate few survived. Crocodiles thrived in aquatic realms, avian species adapted or vanished. Our shrew-like mammalian ancestors mastered survival in shadows. Would humanity endure a dinosaur-like apocalypse? Could we withstand an asteroid's reprise or share their fate? The echoes of history beckon us to ponder our resilience in the face of cataclysmic challenges. If that asteroid struck again, would humans cling like them or face the fate of dinosaurs? Our resilience lies not in brute strength but in adaptability and unity. Let's learn from the survivors and rewrite our destiny. Imagine a world where destruction strikes with unimaginable force. In an instant, millions would vanish and chaos would reign. The Earth would tremble like never before, unleashing waves of devastation. The only chance for survival? To seek refuge underground before the molten rain ends. A stark reminder of nature's power and our fragility. In an instant, devastation would strike Central America and the southern U.S. 100 million lives gone. The sound wave alone lethal within 1,500 kilometers. Tremors of unprecedented magnitude. Tsunamis towering 100 meters, engulfing billions. Debris raining down on the U.S., endangering millions more. A violent warning to seek refuge underground. The world shaken to its core. In a world filled with fallout shelters and underground cities, survival after a catastrophic event seems plausible. Places like Derinkuyu in Turkey and Nushabad in Iran offer refuge, but long-term sustainability is a challenge. While billions could endure initial impacts, only a few high-tech doomsday bunkers like Raven Rock Mountain Complex in Pennsylvania provide extended protection. With 3-story buildings and water reservoirs, these secretive shelters could house thousands. The future may hold unknown dangers, but for some, safety lies deep beneath the surface. In a post-apocalyptic world, survival is key. Major nations have contingency bunkers, but the real challenge lies in the long game. The looming dust cloud would devastate crops globally, leading to famine and potential billions of deaths. However, hope remains. Adapting to the harsh environment, some could survive by harvesting fungi, resilient to sunlight. Imagine this. After a deadly fire ravages the land, there's a secret underground world where fungi thrive without needing sunlight. These resilient organisms can survive and even flourish in the aftermath, providing a potential source of sustenance for those who know where to look. So next time you see a charred landscape, remember, life finds a way, even in the darkest of times. In this new world, resilience and innovation are our best allies. Imagine a world where the climate swings between icy cold and scorching heat, all due to excess carbon dioxide trapping heat in the atmosphere. In this harsh reality, survival means rationing, scavenging, and basic farming. But what if we knew this was coming? How would we prepare for the unimaginable? It's a daunting question, but one we must consider. How would you brace yourself for a future where the odds are stacked against us? Time to think ahead and plan for the unexpected. Did you know that in September 2022, NASA's DART satellite collided with a tiny asteroid 11 million kilometers away? The impact changed the asteroid's orbit by 32 minutes. Hubble and James Webb telescopes captured the debris plume, showing our ability to prevent disasters. But wait, the asteroid was small compared to the one that wiped out the dinosaurs, over 10 kilometers in diameter, bigger than Mount Everest. Redirecting an asteroid of colossal magnitude is no easy feat. Direct impact risks fragmentation, but high explosives could alter its course. Some suggest lasers for precision, while others propose solar sails. The stakes are high, and the solutions are diverse. It's a cosmic puzzle waiting to be solved. Imagine this. We have mapped all big asteroids in the solar system, but what if we miss one? No catalog for those sneaky outsiders. They could zoom in fast with no heads up. So we would need a backup plan pronto. Whether we get a heads up or it's a surprise, we gotta be ready to deflect. Stay alert, folks. Our first move? Evacuate the Yucatan Peninsula, saving millions from disaster. Next, self-sustaining armored habitats ready for meteorites and quakes. Underground cities and mine shafts, powered by nuclear reactors with vertical farms. It's survival, innovation, and a whole new world underground. Imagine a world where geothermal heat from places like Iceland powers cities underground, in vast tunnel networks housing billions. Vaults safeguard seeds, data, and water, shielded from acid rain and deep silos. These fortresses wait for us, preserving our legacy until we return. Water, the most precious resource, protected for our uncertain future. A world hidden beneath our feet, ready for the day we come back to reclaim it. With multiple years to prepare, there would be one last Hail Mary solution to try, to leave Earth behind. From a small colony on the moon, a chosen few could watch disaster strike from a safe distance, unsure if they would ever return. Around 790,000 years ago, a colossal asteroid, about a kilometer long, slammed into Earth, unleashing chaos. The impact was so intense that debris shot into the sky, covering a tenth of our planet's surface. To this day, the massive crater remains a mystery, estimated to be 40 to 100 kilometers wide. What has been excavated are these glassy formations known as tektites. These glassy formations, some as heavy as 44 pounds, have scientists buzzing. A recent analysis published in Geology revealed fascinating insights about these mysterious stones. Thus far, tektites have been unearthed in regions spanning Australia, Asia, and Antarctica. In this investigation, astrobiologist and geochemist Aaron Cavasy from Curtin University in Australia, alongside colleagues, delved into the chemical composition of 3 tektites discovered in Thailand. Researchers meticulously examined minuscule crystals of zircon, each comparable in width to a human hair, embedded within the tektites. These crystals exhibited indications of the rare mineral rhyodite, known to vanish mere moments after its formation. Rhyodite necessitates significantly elevated shock pressures to emerge, remarked Cavasy, emphasizing the requirement for high temperatures as well. The alignment of the zircon crystals within the tektites suggests an impact event occurring somewhere in Southeast Asia, likely proximate to Thailand. While these samples yield valuable insights, the precise location of the impact site remains elusive. The absence of an identified crater of such magnitude remains a perplexing enigma. So, what if a comet or a sizable asteroid were to collide with Earth? According to most scientists, such a threat occurs approximately once every million years. Fortunately, we are not currently facing an imminent danger of this nature. The majority of asteroids in our solar system are situated between Mars and Jupiter and pose no risk to Earth whatsoever. However, there are still thousands of asteroids that have the potential to impact our planet. While most of these are no larger than a compact car and disintegrate upon entering the atmosphere, a few larger ones could cause significant damage, potentially to individual structures like houses or even entire cities, depending on their size. Nonetheless, they would not pose a threat to all life on Earth. NASA's Planetary Defense Coordination Office keeps a close eye on near-Earth objects that could potentially collide with our planet. It's a global effort involving observatories and institutions worldwide. The goal? To spot asteroids on a collision course and prevent any catastrophic impact. The central concern revolves around determining whether an asteroid is situated within the keyhole, indicating a potential collision course with Earth. Beyond the immediate risk of impact, the close passage of a substantial object could perturb Earth's orbit. To date, definitive strategies for asteroid deflection remain undetermined. Proposed methods include deploying a nuclear device within a hazardous asteroid or altering its trajectory using rockets or a solar sail. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.